Alright guys, let's start this WhatsApp marketing course with some useful insights. Here I have mentioned why WhatsApp marketing or why you should use WhatsApp marketing. Well guys, there are multiple reasons which I have mentioned in the upcoming slides that will help you to convince using WhatsApp marketing instead of going any other marketing like email marketing or any different marketing mode. So the main or the very big reason is global reach of WhatsApp platform. WhatsApp has almost or more than 2 billion users worldwide, so it has a very big number of audience, and almost every contact or your every customer which you have in your business might have a WhatsApp account. So obviously it is very easy to reach your existing customers, or even you can reach your new customers as well, but reaching existing customers using WhatsApp is pretty easy and pretty effective as well, right? Then here are few more points which will help you to get convinced using WhatsApp marketing. Obviously it is very cost effective communication way or cost effective way to communicate, unlike email marketing or anything else. Then obviously it is instant messaging, not like email marketing where you send the email but obviously the user or the customer doesn't check emails every time or frequently in a day, right? And then third option is rich media sharing. You can share videos, you can share different kind of images, you can share documents. So tons of media sharing option is available in WhatsApp marketing, right? And in email marketing or any other mode of marketing, media sharing is pretty hard to do. And then the last and very important reason to use WhatsApp marketing is the open rates. WhatsApp gets almost 98% open rate, which means if you are sending 100 messages or 100 marketing messages to your customers or to new customers, there's a high chances that almost 98 people will open your message. But on the other hand, in email marketing, if you go with email marketing, there's a high chances that out of those 100 emails, only 21 people will or 21 customers will open your email. That is why people use WhatsApp marketing instead of email marketing these days. Now there's many other features of WhatsApp marketing as well, which will help you to automate your whole marketing strategy, right? So WhatsApp provides, or WhatsApp business provides, API, application programming interface. Basically using WhatsApp API you can automate your messaging and customer support on WhatsApp. So here I have mentioned WhatsApp offers a dedicated business API that allows larger enterprises to integrate WhatsApp into their CRM system. Obviously if you are a larger or large enterprise, definitely you might have a CRM system. So what you can do is you can integrate your WhatsApp business API to your CRM system, and it will help you to automate your whole messaging and whole marketing and even your customer support, because many businesses provide customer support using WhatsApp, right? Because it is very easy to reach and easy to communicate. And obviously this enables businesses to scale their operations and provide personalized experience efficiently, right? So instead of calling method or instead of emailing method, this method is very efficient, and even you can personalize the experience to customer. Next up, we have other benefits of using WhatsApp marketing. First is obviously customer engagement. If you are getting 98% of open rate, definitely you will get good amount of engagement as well, right? Even the customer will reply you back on that message as well. And if we talk about emails, there's very rarely customer reply back on those emails. So engagement rate is also high if we are going with WhatsApp marketing. Then obviously it is very secure and encrypted. WhatsApp provides end-to-end encryption. That's why it is very secure instead of any other mode of marketing. Third is verified business accounts. Yes, WhatsApp, or you can say the parent company of WhatsApp, which is Meta, verifies all business accounts, right? You can't get WhatsApp API or this bulk messaging system without verifying your business. So whatever the business you are seeing or whatever the business messages you are getting on WhatsApp is totally from verified businesses. So that is a surety from Meta itself. So it So obviously it increases the chances of getting good results from WhatsApp marketing. And then we do have e-commerce integration. Yes, you can integrate your e-commerce system into your WhatsApp business as well. Even you can add few products or good amount of products into your WhatsApp account, basically WhatsApp contact as well. So if someone wants, they can directly order a product or a service from your WhatsApp number as well, right? Then you get analytics and insights if you are using WhatsApp API, right? And in this course I'll show you how to use WhatsApp API, because this is a pretty tricky part. You can't directly access WhatsApp business. As I told you, you need to get verified your business through Meta in order to use WhatsApp API, right? So it is not pretty easy or pretty simple. So stay tuned with this course. I'll explain you everything. Next up, we have the course overview, what you will learn in this course. Obviously I'm going to teach you WhatsApp business, the general WhatsApp business application we get on Play Store. I'm gonna show you how to use that application. Then I'll explain you about WhatsApp bulk messaging. If you are not using API or Meta services, then how you can do bulk messaging or why it is very harmful for your business. I'll explain you all these things. Then I'll show you WhatsApp API. Yes, I have mentioned harmful because WhatsApp bulk messaging applications are pretty harmful if you are not using API. Yes, wait for the lesson to get detailed explanation. Then I'll show you how to use or how to access WhatsApp API, or how you can use the whole platform of WhatsApp API.